A Swedish court on Monday sentenced 4 men to prison for participating in the Islamic State (IS) network, including recruitment, weapons training, and propaganda activities, while acquitting 3 of them of planning an attack inside Sweden. The Nacka District Court handed down sentences ranging between 3 and 6.5 years to the 4 Swedish nationals, citing their direct involvement in IS operations in Somalia. However, it dismissed charges that 3 of them had been plotting a terrorist attack inside Sweden, ruling that the evidence did not establish a concrete plan for an imminent strike. Convictions and sentences. The court found that between 2023 and 2024, the men actively supported IS by recruiting new members, conducting arms training, and spreading propaganda for the militant group. The convicted individuals are Omar Yasser Ahmed Aisha, 21, sentenced to 6.5 years. Daniel Elias Johansson, 25, sentenced to 6 years. Rasmus Erik Johansson, 23, sentenced to 5.5 years. Ilyas Mohammed Hakamali, 63, sentenced to 3 years. 3 of them had also been charged with preparing a terrorist crime in Sweden, but the court found insufficient evidence to prove they had a specific target or operational plan. The district court did not consider that there was a sufficiently clear plan for an intended terrorist offense, the ruling stated. The Swedish prosecution authority, which had accused the suspects of intending to kill or injure civilians in an IS-backed attack, expressed disappointment with the acquittals but said it respected the ruling. One of the convicted men, Ilyas Mohammed Hakamali, 63, a longtime imam in Tyresö, south of Stockholm, was a central figure in the case. He had been the leader of a local Islamic cultural association and its basement mosque for over 2 decades before his arrest. Authorities detained him on April 17, 2024, during a pre-dawn raid, marking a significant moment in the Swedish security services, SAPO, counterterrorism efforts. Prosecutors accused him of actively recruiting members, including young converts, for IS activities in Somalia. His mosque, which had received nearly 500,000 kroner in state funding since 2016, is now under investigation for potential misuse of funds related to radicalization efforts. SAPO believes that Hakamali played a key role in radicalizing and recruiting the younger men involved in the case. According to prosecutors, he taught extremist ideology to children and youth at the mosque, a claim that has deeply unsettled Sweden's religious communities. The investigation also revealed that 2 of the convicted individuals, brothers aged 23 and 25, had allegedly received direct instructions from IS in Somalia to kill as many infidels as possible, with Jewish targets as the main targets. Prosecutors say the brothers had discussed seeking minors under 18 who were ready to die as martyrs and could kill many in attacks. Wiretapped conversations captured them speaking about potential targets, including government buildings, police, intelligence agencies, and synagogues in Sweden. Authorities say the group had links to an organized criminal gang in Tyresö, which supplied them with a firearm and an electric stun gun. The defense lawyers for Aisha and Johansson indicated that their clients would appeal the verdicts, while the attorneys for the other 2 did not immediately comment. Swedish authorities arrested 3 of the suspects on March 7, 2024, in coordinated raids across Stockholm, including Tyresö. Hakamali was arrested separately on April 17, 2024, following a second phase of investigations. Swedish security police, SAPO, had described the arrests as a preventative operation to avert a potential attack, but details on the suspected plot remained classified.